Hi there and welcome back again. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and in around 6 hours it will be dark again. So this means I have to speed things up a little bit and let's get started. This weekend's task was to finish the roof of my porch. So it might be again a bit of a déjà vu for you, but things need to get done and I need a dry space to work over the next weeks. Before I start working, I have to tidy up a bit. I guess you know the cliche that Germans are kind of crazy about separating their trash. And as always with every cliche, there is a little bit of truth in it. So, in my case, it means that I have to separate the treated from the untreated wood. Treated wood has to go to the dumping ground. The untreated lumber I am allowed to burn myself. And a little chit-chat with my neighbor about my windows. She wants me to install the same in her house, but in summer when it's warmer again. So, let's start working. After more than 30 years, the old roofing material is quite porous, so I am very careful with every step. By the way, Plain, a very warm welcome on board to all my new subscribers. Since last week's episode, more than 2,000 of you subscribed to my channel. So, my Christmas wish might become reality. And if you are still not on board, just press the subscribe button below this video. It is absolutely for free. And you'll make an old man very happy. On my anorak you can see that I painted the substructure after dark. It is always good to have a helping hand in life. Now everything has to be screwed to the substructure and the new roof will be finished. Cost-wise, it has been my biggest project so far. The two small windows cost €130 or $160 each. The large ones are around 190 euros or $230. The used door was 70 euros. The new smaller windows will be again around 130 euros. The final door will cost 900 euros or $1,090. The roofing material, including screws and brackets and everything, cost 1,700 euros, nearly $2,000. In spring, when it's warmer again, I will finish painting the substructure. As well, I will add a fascia board to the roof. And again, what a difference! Everything is light and bright. A big thank you to my patrons. Without you, I would have never been able to afford a high-quality roof like this. Next week I'll continue with the two smaller windows on the left. So, join me. And in the meantime, subscribe. Oh, and I still have to cut a last board. See you then. Stay healthy.